Alright guys, Paul here again with another video. I got this MAJIC Air about over a month ago. What happened was I got it before I went on holiday to Florida for a couple of weeks, and the weather here was absolutely terrible, so I couldn't take it out, use it, so I was a bit frustrated. So I went away to Orlando, beautiful weather, perfect, so I was hoping by the time I came back home it would be a bit calmer here and stuff, but it's just literally been miserable since I've came back. So this is the first kind of semi-okay day to have a flight with it, so we'll see how we go. Since I'm using my phone for the controller, I've not got my GoPro on, so I'm hoping this is facing right. But this is my display here. You've got your map, you've got your camera view, record, etc. So I'm just going to do a small flight, nothing far, and just see what it's like. It's got lots of functions for movies and stuff. That's the reason why I got it, because I had the Parrot Bebop 2, which is a great drone. I love it, nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But this one, I was quite lucky enough that I managed to get this one for a good deal. And it's got, obviously it's got like different movie features. It can do like asteroid effect, which I'll put in later videos and stuff. There's loads of things it can do, but I really just fancy the DJI, because I'm kind of getting more and more into the drones we watching stuff. And it was a MOBA 876, I think's how you say it. I'm not got my phone on to actually remember, but he's a cool guy, MOBA. He does a lot of car stuff, good channel. But I spoke to him about it. He had this drone, he said it was great. So obviously you get the MAVICs with the OcuSync things for doing a lot longer flights and that, but the main reason I've got this is just to incorporate into my movies with my cars and things. Hopefully get my airplane up with the follow me mode and things, and just kind of incorporate it into my videos. So I'm not interested in flying miles and miles away, but we'll have a wee shot just now and see how we go. It's got a precision takeoff, which I don't think you need, but we'll use that. I think it scans the ground, for what I've been understanding, to get its exact spot to take off. So it's coming up with the home point. There's the drone there. Let's see what I'm recording in. Let's see, I'm recording in 1080, so I'm not even sure how to alter that just now. Probably simple, but so like tapping on it. Video 1080, so I'll put it in 2K. I'll not go to 4K just now because I've just got a small memory card that I've formatted, so I'm not sure it's even going to work good. Obviously you've got your 60 frames per second, 48, 50, down to 24 movie settings, so I'll put it on it. I'll just leave it at 30 frames per second, I'll not muck about with that, but I'll start recording, and all going well, if this goes how I hope it will, I'll be able to have a video of me down here doing this, and still a bit of flight footage of the drone. So you can see her going up there just now. It's a little bit breezy, a little gust, but nothing too insane. I'll go a little bit further out. What I'll probably do is I'll probably turn around towards the road, because I think the sun is kind of affecting me a bit there. Not going to go any crazy heights or anything, it's just more to get a wee shot. It's in film mode just now, nothing fast. I've not got sports mode on, I've not adjusted any of the sight height settings, even not sight settings. So we'll have a wee look about this area. This is the back of Lanark, and sort of between Edinburgh and Glasgow. We look around and see what we see up there. There's a bird up there, I don't know if that'll be on the camera, but I can see it going past. So if I look down, which I think's this way, you can see the height we are up here just now, and there's quite a good view round already. There's a lot of windmills, sort of electrical wind towers up there, and over this way, it's just, you can see it's actually quite a nice day today. So we'll go for a little drive along. What's it saying? High winds. It must be a bit breezy up there, so if I put in sports mode, I know for a fact, because I had a tiny shot, like low level in wind, it handles well. But so I'm not going to go too far, because all round here it's a lot of big trees and things, so if I do come down the chances of getting it back aren't too good. But that was kind of what initially put me off getting a DJI drone, because I got my MAVIC, well sorry, my Bebop 2, which is a great drone. Like I say, I got no problems with that whatsoever, I love it. I got the Bebop 2 and that was around £300, and I mean that's a lot of money to have flying up in the air itself. Might not to some people, but to the majority of people you don't want to just chuck £300 in the air, something happen to it and crash. So it's quite scary flying that far away. I think that about a mile maximum away from me, but this is like triple the price of this drone, so I'm going to be a lot more careful with it. I mean, I know it's designed to go far and things, but it does make me nervous, the fact that I've got basically £1,000 flying up in the air. that's obviously it's what it's for, but it's pretty scary when you add what money it's cost you up. So in this flight just now, just a wee feel for it, go around. I don't know what you are seeing, if it's good or all, but really just want to bring you a little video of the drone. So I'm coming above my head just now. Let's see if I can bring it down. I'll bring it this other way. Probably see me on the path looking like an idiot. Yep, see me. Like you see, I'm not crazy high just now, just a little bit up. Got, how much battery have I got? 67%, so I think you get about a 20-minute fly time. Let's bring it down a little bit just now. You get a 20-minute fly time roughly off the battery, and then I've got the Fly More pack, so it came with 3 batteries, a few other extras, so it's a really good value, I suppose, for a high quality drone. But like I say, I'm not putting this anywhere where I know I can't walk to just now, just till I get more confident with it, because you know, I'm pretty reasonably well good at flying drones, but altitude is too large for wind, so it must be a bit gustier up there, unless it's just overly worrying on the controller. But yeah, I'm pretty good at flying drones. I can do a lot of stuff with them, but when it comes to the value and money, I've got to be a bit more careful. So I'll switch it to sports mode just now and we'll see kind of what speeds we do. You can see it's absolutely flying along there. That's only a quarter throttle, so even going that far is making me nervous just now. I know it's got the return to home and things, but see, I don't really trust these things too much till I've flew it a lot of times. It took me a long time with the Bebop to get the nerve to use the full range. But it's relaxing. It's quite a little bit nervy flying it just because of the value, but I mean the controls are nice and easy. Nothing that anybody couldn't pick up. I always worry about things like motors failing and just loads of things when I've got drones. I overthink it, so I was thinking I'm like a mile away or something like that. You never know what goes wrong. I've seen stories of a few people losing them, but I don't want to be one of the guys. So I'm going a wee bit into the sun just now, so I'm hoping the footage looks okay. Like I say, it's nothing exciting. I'm going to do, where I stay is beside the Forth Rail Bridge in Edinburgh, and it's absolutely gorgeous, especially at night. It's really well lit up, and it's just outside the no-fly zone. If you get to a certain point, some points you can't, because of the landing routes for the airport, it's very close. But I was looking at my fly map, and there's a certain couple of points that I can actually fly a drone out to get some videos of that. So once I get a bit more confident, I'll take it over the water and do that. But like I say, it's just like baby steps. That's just the way I look at everything in the air, including my plane. I mean, I'm doing backflips and loops and all that with my plane now, different dives, and having a lot of fun with it. But in the air you kind of get one chance, so the last thing you want to do is come down hard. How much battery have we got now? 47%, so you can see I'm getting a good bit of time out of it. But I've got a lot of plans for this drone. It's got so many follow functions and things, and I really want to get the follow me mode, so I get to a big park, sort of lock it onto my aeroplane and get it following me around, just fly slowly and just get a different perspective of the RC plane in there and things like that. So yeah, I mean, it's showing me exactly on the map where it is here. I don't know if you can see, just down at the bottom corner. But yeah, it's flying beautiful, nice and stable. Hopefully the footage will come out good, but I'm just really kind of nervous. Sorry for going into the sun there. I'm just going to come round this way a bit onto the path. Obviously it's got the 3-axis gimbal too. That was a big selling point for me, because it is so much more stable with that when your camera. The Bebop's it's not got a gimbal as such, but it's got like a film stability system, and that worked amazing. So having an actual 3-axis gimbal is really good. So what I might do just now is not go crazy high, but we'll go a bit up in there and see how high we can get. Is it telling me 100 in? What I'm up to? See, I'm getting scared already. How high am I? I'll just take it up to about 300 just now. I'm not even going to go higher than that. I'm being a bit of a wuss. So there's 300 foot in the air. A little look around. I'll show you what it looks like down the way. It's not insane high, but it's high enough for me. I'm getting the old butterflies in the stomach. So about 35% battery just now on this one. I'll bring her down. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a quick video on the MAJIC there. It's going to definitely be something I'm incorporating in the channel over time, and I'll do more distance flights and stuff, and maybe like over fields and areas where I know I can walk to, and if it comes down and I've got a chance of collecting it. But let me see the birds there. But for right now, I'd say I'm not putting it anywhere where I know I can't walk to or things like that. I'm not even too keen to go over the trees just in case, because I sound like a big scared wuss, but that is literally how it is when I'm flying this just now. So I'll take a good few battery packs and a bit of flight time before I do anything absolutely amazing with it. But that's a beat, that's it telling me to come back now. How much have I got? Low battery warning. So we're at 29%, it gives you a low battery, so that'll be plenty of time to come home in. But for just now, I'm just going to bring her down. Just happy she's in one piece. You can see my ugly face there in my work clothes. So I better go do my next job now anyway. But just while I was passing this little rural area, I just thought that I would take it out for a wee shot to show you guys. So thanks for watching, and be more videos as always soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.